Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, much like yesterday, we're expecting beautiful conditions throughout the day today with sunny skies and temperatures climbing into the 70s as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours today. That's all complements of an area of surface high pressure right along the mid-Atlantic coast this morning that is providing us with those beautiful conditions that will likely continue for the next few days as high pressure really dominates the weather across the eastern portion of the United States and really not seeing any significant areas of low pressure impacting our region as we go throughout the next few days. I want to take a look at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, and winds fairly light aloft this morning. You're seeing those winds out of the southeast at 3 knots at the 1,000 foot level. And then as we go up in height, really not much increase in those speeds. We see more of a northwesterly flow as we get around 25,000 feet with winds increasing up to around 38 knots at the 25,000 foot level. That freezing level this morning is at 9,100 feet. So taking a look here at our live cam, you can see a little bit of serious cloudiness off to our south. Actually, it looks like a little fire going off to our south as well. But we are seeing beautiful conditions out there this morning with those sunny skies expected to continue throughout the day today. Just a beautiful day here on the Delmarva. Looking at our infrared satellite, you can see those cirrus clouds that are streaming just off to our south this morning. And off to the north, you can see clearing with really no cloudiness out there whatsoever this morning. So, going to continue to see those sunny skies throughout the next several hours. Looking at our computer model simulation and what we can expect for the next few days. Looking into the afternoon and evening tonight, you can see dry weather continuing here. This is our long-range European model that we're taking a look at currently, looking at really no threat for precipitation as we go through the day on Thursday. Some of the models are indicating we could get a little bit of a backdoor cold front move through here on Friday with our winds turning easterly in direction. Could see some more cloudiness and a bit cooler temperature as well, but a little bit of disagreement right now on how far south that front pushes and if we can get in on some of that onshore flow as we get into the end of the week to help cool us off a bit. But for the most part, looking at dry conditions continuing through the end of the week, and then a slight chance of some shower activity potentially by the weekend, but not looking like a sure bet that that's going to happen at all. And those chances look pretty minimal at this point in time. We go through the model here in the long range again, all the way through Sunday, the European model keeping us dry until we get into that Sunday night, Monday morning time frame where we see some of the precipitation associated with a little bit of a minor frontal boundary pushing south through our region, potentially giving us some rainfall as we get to the end of this weekend and to the beginning of next week. But for the most part, a very dry forecast in store for us. As we look at the next 24 hours, we're going to see sunny skies, temperatures warming into the 70s today, a high of 74 degrees expected today. Overnight tonight, mostly clear skies, light winds, seeing that temperature drop to around 54 degrees. As we look at the next 7 days, we are looking at really just very benign weather for us as we go through the extended forecast here. Temperatures warming a bit as we go into the Thursday time frame with a high of 74 today, a high of 82 for Wednesday, and a high of 83 expected for Thursday. Then we get a little bit more of a question mark as far as temperatures go for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. As again, we have some model disagreement as far as some backdoor cold fronts potentially moving in and cooling us off and providing us with more cloudiness as we go through the weekend. But right now, kind of a blend in the models showing up here on my forecast today. Temperature of 79 on Friday, 81 on Saturday. If we keep those backdoor cold fronts off to our northeast and we are still in that warm sector, we could see those temperatures for the weekend to be a bit higher than what I currently have forecasted. For Sunday, looking at 85 degrees with a potential of some showers and thunderstorms. Most likely during the evening hours and into the overnight hours of Sunday and into the first part of Monday, where we will see potentially a little bit cooler temperature of 80 degrees with a few more clouds as well. That'll wrap it up for our daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.